Hey guys, welcome back to part 2 on how to make a Five Nights at Freddy's fan game in Roblox Studio. So, in the last part, we did the camera look around system so you can look around in the office, and that's pretty much all we had done. So, in this tutorial, we're gonna make the actual camera system so you could see and monitor the animatronics. So, let's just overview what we did last episode. So, you see, we're in our office, we can look around. So yeah, that's pretty much it for now. So let's get right into it. Alright, so first off, we're gonna want to have our map. So I'm just gonna make something random, just straight out of my imagination. I honestly do not know what I'm making. So I'm just gonna make a wall. Make sure to anchor it. You could have whatever you want, but like this is just me. So I'm just gonna have a wall. Just this. This is gonna be our map for now at least. So yeah, let's group it. You're gonna want to make your map a model and name it map. And after that, we're gonna want to insert a folder into our workspace and name it. Let's call it cameras. All right. So after that, we're gonna want to insert a part, anchor, and turn on show orientation indicator. Again, like from the last episode, we're gonna want to make it small, like usual. We're gonna want to call this part camera 1 and set the transparency to 0.5, whatever you want, like usual, and put it wherever you want. So yeah, but the thing is, the orientation indicator is to show you where the front facing is, to show you where the camera is looking at. So let's say if it's facing forward, it's going to be looking forward like this. Let me just, yeah, so this is what our camera is going to look like. So yeah, we're going to want it to be facing in any direction. So I'm just going to have camera 1, just camera 1, duplicate it, rotate it. Whoa, this is me. I'm gonna make the second camera. So, yeah, here's the second camera. Camera 2. Let's just turn it on. So, yeah, second camera. Okay, so now that we have our cameras, you could have as much as you want. But, like, for me, I'm just gonna have 2. So, I'm gonna drag it into the cameras folder. And now we're gonna get into the UI. Alright, so now we're gonna wanna open the started UI, which I already have it open. And we're gonna go to main. Create a new frame. Make it the size 1, 0, 1, 0, so it's big, covers the whole screen. Make the background transparency 1, and we're gonna want to call this camera GUI. Alright, now we're gonna want to insert our image label, which is gonna be the view of our map. So we're just gonna call this map. So we're gonna make it big and set the image texture to the image of your map. So for me, it's just I already have mine down, and it's this, which is technically our map layout. See the big plus thing, and it has the office right here. So yeah, this is our map. You could set it to your own, but you have to upload the image to Roblox. And if you don't know how to do that, then you have to search it up, or just upload it to Roblox. So yeah, now we're gonna want to insert our text button, which is gonna be to open the cameras. So we're gonna want to call this camera toggle, and we're gonna set the border to 3 to make it look nice. Text to open cameras. Open cameras. And now we're gonna actually want to put the buttons to click on. So let's put text button. Okay, this is gonna be our camera 1. So we're gonna put camera 1. Now we're gonna want to set the border to 3, duplicate it, and we're gonna set this one to camera 2. So text camera 2, set this to camera 2. Let's set this to camera 1. So we're gonna change the names. Alright, so let's just make this invisible. So just set visible to false for these, but leave the camera toggle button like visible, keep it visible. And we're gonna want to open our look frame. Alright, so in our left button, when we click the left, we're gonna want to put script dot parent dot camera GUI dot camera toggle dot visible equals to false. So we're gonna want to set it invisible whenever they're not viewing the center. Okay, so go to right and set that to false. Just copy and paste it. We're gonna want to copy and paste it for right back, but instead of it being false, we're gonna set it to true. And same thing with left back, but we're gonna want to make it true again. Okay, so let's test. Let's see how it is. Okay, so we're gonna click, see how it's not there, go back, click, it's not there again, now it's back. So yeah, you can only view the cameras when you're viewing the computer. So yeah, that's good. Yeah, so now we're gonna want to make it so the open cameras button actually does something. So let's do that real quick. So insert a local script. We're gonna call this toggle camera. And we're gonna want to add a bool value. We're gonna call this cameras opened. Okay, so we're first gonna want to put local value equals to script dot cameras opened. Then we're gonna want to put script the parent the mouse button 1 click colon connect function. And we're gonna check if the value is on or off. So if value equals to false, then we're just gonna set it to true. So value equals to true. Oh, forgot to put value here. Okay, so then we're gonna want to put else, and then we're gonna want to put value equals to false. I mean value equals to false. Okay, and during that time, we're gonna want to make all this other GUI visible. So we're gonna want to put script parent camera 1 visible equals to true. Let's just copy and paste this for the second one. Then camera 2. Oh, camera 3. I'm gonna put camera 2. But you're gonna want to do the same thing if you have more cameras. But yeah, so then we're gonna put script parent map visible equals to true. We're gonna copy and paste it. So, but instead we're gonna want to make it false now. And then we're gonna want to make the look frame invisible, so we can't look around while we're in the camera. So yeah, let's set that real quick. Then we're gonna make script parent look frame visible equals to true for the bottom, else. Now we're gonna set it to false on the top. Now let's test. Alright, we're in. Now let's see. Okay, so we're gonna look around, open cameras, you see how all the the look frame is gone, and now when we close the cameras, they're gonna be back. Yeah, so that's good. Now we can't look around while we're in the cameras. Okay, so now we're gonna make it so the camera buttons both work. Okay, so let's do that real quick. Alright, so first off, before we do anything, we're gonna wanna insert a string value into the toggle camera script. And we're gonna call it current camera. And we're gonna set the value to cam1. Yeah, cam1. And okay, so open the toggle camera. Wait, let's change toggle camera to camera handler. This could be whatever you want, any name, doesn't really matter. So yeah, camera handler. Then we're gonna want to do script dot parent dot camera1 dot mouse button one click connect function. Before we do anything, we need to specify the camera. So let's go back to our look around script and copy these two variables. So local camera. And we're going to change camera views to cameras with a capital C, so we can tell the difference. And we're going to set this to cameras, which is the folder in the workspace. And first we're going to want to set the camera value. So whenever you click this, it's going to change your camera C frame. So let's do it. So we're going to put if script dot current camera dot value equals to cam1, then camera dot C frame equals to cameras capital C, make sure that that's capital, dot camera1 dot C frame, and we're gonna want to put else if for camera2. So copy and paste it and change this to camera2. Yeah, so now that's gonna be set. And then we're gonna make it so when you exit, it's gonna set you back to the look frame. So we're gonna change this to script dot parent dot look frame. No, delete all of this. I put the wrong thing. So workspace dot office views dot center. Yeah, so let's test. Alright, so now we're gonna press open cameras, and now you see it's gonna set us to camera one, and we could close it. Oop, we got an error. So, I forgot to put C frame. So dot C frame. Okay, so let's test again. Fix the bug, hopefully. So now we're gonna try. Okay, so just look around, test, open it, camera one. Now we're back in the office. Yeah, we're back. So that's good. Yeah, so we got that down. Now we're gonna make it so you could be able to switch cameras. Alright, so let's set it. So first we're gonna change the value of current camera, which is in the script. So we're gonna set script dot current camera dot value equals to cam1. When I put equals, I'm gonna put one equal. Yeah, so equals to camera1, and now we're gonna set the camera dot C frame equals to cameras capital C dot camera1. Now we're gonna want to copy and paste this, but for camera 2. So set this to camera 2, cam 2, and camera 2. But let's add something so we can tell the difference between the cameras, because for now they just look the same. They're just the same thing. So let's just insert a free model just to tell the difference. You don't have to do this. This is just to test the difference between cameras. So I'm just gonna insert the most random thing I can find. So I'm gonna put a sword. I'm gonna put a sword. Yeah, I'm gonna insert a sword, and I'm gonna put it in camera 1, just so we could tell the difference. I'm gonna make this apart. I'm gonna make it apart so we can actually like drag it around and configure it. So this is just to tell the difference. So yeah. Okay, so let's test it out, and it should be working. Okay, so look around. We can look, open cameras, see we're camera 1, camera 2. Oop, we forgot to assign the C frame. So we're gonna put dot C frame at the end of these. Fix the bug. Alright, let's test that out again. Okay, open cameras. You can switch now, you see? Because you're a little character over there. And now let's see if our camera saves when we close it and open it. Yeah, our camera saves where our camera left off. So yeah, that's gonna be it for today's video, and I'll see you in part 3, which we will. I think we should start making the door in the power system. So yeah, that's what's gonna be in part 3. So hope you guys enjoyed. See you in the next video. Like and subscribe. Bye.